So, na-miss ko manood ng mga movies actually. And it's funny because may mga movie na ngayong year lang na-release tapos nasa Netflix na. Uh, and one of them is yung Delivery Man, I think Netflix lang. Pero this is the movie that ang casting or ang lead star ay si Baron. Actually noon pa naman, kahit nung hindi pa siya Kristiyano, kahit nung hindi pa niya nag-accept si Christ as Lord and Savior, magaling na talaga siya Marte. Carlo Aquino, Jericho Rosales, mga magaling Marte talaga yan. Baron Geisler, even si Jake Venka actually. Pero dito, actually na-enjoy ko yung acting niya. Acting wise, it's good. Maganda yung medyo may mga pilit lang na plots. But it's fine. I give it, well, gusto ko siyang bigyan ng 7. Let's just make it 7.5. Okay naman siya. May mga pilit ka na, para sa akin, may mga pilit na parts. Pero it's a good film. It's if, I don't know kung supposedly sa pang MMFF siya kasi yung timeline is Christmas and New Year. Pero yeah, it's a good film. It's a good film. It's a great film. So hanggang doon na lang. Mabilisan lang.